about the society, you want to take away the money from the rich people, rich company, and to subsidize the poor people. How come here the tax law discourage it? Let me give you one idea. Okay, for corporation, the charitable deduction only limited to the 10% of your taxable income. So, for example, this company make profit $1 million. Even you donate $300,000, you can only deduct 10%, $100,000 for this year. And you have anything left, you just carry over for next year. So what's the reason why tax law does not like profitable company to donate, charitable donation? Why?
Because government get a tax.
Say again?
Government get a tax from your company.
Company can.
No, government will get a tax from.
You mean the government will have to take a tax from you?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other reason why? Any other reason? Any other consideration? So your annual consideration is government. Government would like to take the money first before the poor people. Yes.
Well, would it cause because there's so many corporations out there, because capitalism promotes it, would it cause
okay.
A lessening amount for them to collect on
Okay.
taxes?
There's another idea. The money the company corporate made should contribute to the future, because this is capital, right? You would like to put in as a capital to reinvest, right? This is your purpose. Any other consideration?
It will be less income for the government, right?
Right, he mentioned already.
Oh.
Right, yeah,
I
he
think
mentioned.
the charitable donation is a good human being. It's an intent to help the society. So it's from personal to charity is better, but from the company it's just like a tax deduct, tax shelter.
Right, but what is the consideration here? Because we have two forces against here. One is you take money from a profitable organization, doesn't matter if it's a corporation or rich people. You take money from this group of people to subsidize the poor people, right? So we have a conflict here. One is the people really in need of money. They are sitting there, they need to be fit, okay? And the other thing is, who is more important here? My question is, who is important here? How come the tax law does not like corporation to donate? Why?
The corporation can set up a non-profit charitable.
Well, even you set a non-profit, still again 10%. This is it. Even corporation.
Transfer their profit supposed to be taxed.
So my question is, who is against who? Right now, we know the poor people against who? Who is more important to be taken care from the company?
Their own employee.
Other than that,
Shareholder.
shareholder, yes, shareholder. The philosophy here is the shareholder of the company is more important than any other poor people or so-called charitable people, because the whole purpose of corporation is to take care of its shareholder first. We talk about this because there's a tension, right? If the corporation donate the majority of its profit to the charitable, then what about the shareholder, right? So here the bottom line is, for individual there's no problem. For individual, you just donate whatever you want.
No, individual have limitations.
Yes, 50%, 50% AGI.
Okay.
Yeah, but compared to 10%, 10% is almost very little, almost nothing. So right, the questions I posted here is who against who, right? Poor people against the shareholder, because for any company, even though you have very good intention, you want to take care the poor people, charitable organization,